All right, so here she is, in all her glory. Beautiful. That's a GM, like Cadillac black. This is a Lotus white, which is actually a factory Volkswagen color. It's more of a creamy color. We did red on the wheels. You can see everything. It's a little bit dirty, so excuse us. But you can see the undercarriage there. But everything has been painted underneath it to match the bottom side of the car. Some new shocks everywhere. Beam. So you can better see the underside, and then you have two Safaris, right, that come up on the front. These that swing out. See the Safari movement or mechanism there. Chrome ashtray, Wolfsburg cap, brand new flat 4 steering wheel. The mechanism works. That's the deflector for the rag top. You'll see everything is new hardware all throughout. These are 3-point retractable. Matching spare back there. Brand new matching spare. Matches those Nexons. Radial tires, right? So you got your, what they call the church key holder here for the fuel cap. Excuse, it's a little bit dirty because I just stepped in it with all of this stuff on the floor. So, but black carpeting, blue carpet. Like I said, it's dirty, so you can see it's like just dust and dirt underneath here, but it's very, very clean car. Very clean car. All brand new rubber throughout. This is a like a waxed cloth, and this is vinyl. Everything matches back there. Seat belts new throughout. We powder coated the roof racks to match. Here you can see how the door closes beautiful. It's just like one finger. All the seams. Everything is very well aligned. I'm gonna do a little climbing here to show you. So these are, this is the roof rack. It's been, or they are, those are the roof racks, right? These are leather straps that we had custom made to, you know, you can strap anything down you want here. You can tighten them up. This is Brazilian hardwood that's been varnished. Black rag top, slides all the way back. The matching ladder and roof rack back there. The deluxe trim has the black inserts, top and bottom. Pop out, regular window, pop out. So that pops out this way. This one pops out that way. And you can see roof rack, stainless steel hardware. See how the body lines are very, very nice. So just bought an extra brand new fuel cap to throw on with the Volkswagen symbol. That's a brand new carburetor we installed in it. Actually, sorry, that's a brand new carburetor. That's the old one in the box. This is just some stuff that I have. Those are the old distributors that I took out of 2 other cars along with this one. And this comes with the little toolkit, which is from Wolfsburg West. It's a cool little period correct toolkit. Excuse me, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's a little bit more difficult. So you have a flathead, smaller flathead, pair of pliers, hubcap puller. This is for, like, you know, your lug nuts and such. And all period correct stuff, so that all matches, you see. Got little jail bars, protect the windows, all the inside. Hatch. See, you don't even have to, like, shuts. Here you have engine compartment. Everything is brand new, like I said. Distributor is brand new, cap, wires. It's not rebuilt. Your carburetor as well. This is a pulley set that we do, so it's got an actual tensioner. That way you don't have to worry about moving shims. That's what that church key opens. That little square. Again, pop out back, pop out front. Mechanism is brand new. It locks from the inside as well. Not actually this way locks. This way it opens, right? Here's the other side. Let's see. Very well put together. All nice. New hardware. Seat belts. Carpeting. Everything aligns, shuts. There you go. Okay. That shuts really nicely. You don't have to bang it. You don't have to do anything crazy with it. And it locks. So you can see the alignment is very nice all throughout. This is all security blindex or security glass. All the rubber is all brand new. You can see the little details. I mean, it's got the rubber trim everywhere. Like I said, brand new hardware. Look, it's not broken. It's not like hard to push. Everything's very nice. And you get a vase of flowers. It's beautiful. If you don't like it, you can take it off. There's a little thing in the back. Brand new chrome mirror as well. Chrome ashtray. from our detail shop. They do a little smelly smell inside. Very nice. Excuse that trash. But you get out the seat belts. Same thing here, retractable. You can see the quality around the hinges and everything. Very, very nice. Very nice bus. Again, do a little walk around.